Hi, Padraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2022 Toyota Yaris. This is the 1.5 hybrid Luna model, finished in a white pearlescent paint. It's got a low on your road tax of €160. It's got a full Toyota service history, and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a look at the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, with daytime running lights, 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got spotless clean bodywork. It's got a nice sized boot for a hatchback. Protected boot liner, fold down seat for additional space. It's got good legroom for a hatchback. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats. Keyless entry. It's finished in navy and grey cloth interior. Centre armrest. Electric windows and mirrors. Automatic headlights. Keyless start. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control function. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function. It's got the reversing camera. Air conditioning, automatic handbrake with hill start assist, automatic gearbox, car SOS function for emergencies, and there's 30,796 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Yaris to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621. Visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.